I'm afraid I have to make a video number 3, and that's the fact that, well, I want to record everything, right? So this is the ArcoLinux B Plasma that has been there from November 2018, and this is the Plasma challenge, right? Updating everything. And I just installed this CKB Next thing, and that's for Corsair, these colors that you can set. But it pops up and tells, hey, you should do something. This is okay, just say auto start con and it's out. But here I need to intervene, right? If I put you here and then I have 12, then I have place enough. So sudo system ctl, I have to do this only once. I'm gonna enable this all the time for always, right? CKB sudo system ctl, right? And then CKB, nothing coming up, because normally you should actually be able to tap things. So I'm wondering, start, okay, it's already enabled it seems. So now I've started it, and indeed, whoa, my keyboard just changed from colors. So I'm now looking at this kind of white thing, and we'll see next time if it's needed or not. But I think we can see it as well in Ctrl-T, sudo background minus, oh, what am I doing? System ctl, and then status of this particular thing is that one. So it's active, it's running, it's busy. So I guess I won't see it next time around, since it's enabled, and it started now. Okay, so it's now, yes, sure, close, don't ask, close. And this application is the one from here. I close this guy and I can still open it if I want to. All right, that's a last thing to do. I see there are strange things happening here, so let's fix the strange things as well. So this guy needs to go, clearly. So edit panel, remove. I don't know why you are here, but you can't stay here. Simple as that. And this guy is, okay, that guy. All right, so just need this one. And in the meantime, my icons are all screwed up. So go to icons. And let's see if this is going to improve things. We have Surf Arc, yeah, Arc Breeze, that's the one. Apply. Now the icons here changed. Apply. A few of them change anyway. Not all of them, but a few of them. All right. So the cursors, Breeze Light, Bibata, we've changed to the Bibata cursors, but on Plasma I just keep on Breeze, because that's of course the original snow here, the original cursor for here. Everything should look normal now, and we are happy. All right, Alt N, we're not happy. Alt N, not a wallpaper, that's fine. Okay.